In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tasks with ClickUp. Quick guide. Merging tasks is a great way to cut down on duplicates, consolidate related work, and keep your project tidy. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, along with quick tips so you feel confident doing this in your own workspace. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser. Once you're in, head to your list view and open all tasks within the workspace you're working from. The list view gives you a clean, scannable overview of everything, which makes it easy to spot duplicates or overlapping tasks before you merge. Next, select the task you want to start from. Here we'll call it Task 1. Open it to see the full details: description, assignees, due dates, comments, and attachments. This quick review helps you confirm that it truly overlaps with another task and clarifies which item should become the main destination after the merge. Inside the task window, locate the Task Settings menu. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a gear icon or a three-dot menu. Click it to open the advanced options for that task. From the list of options, choose Merge. You'll now be guided to pick the task you want to merge into. A quick tip: if you're unsure what data will carry over, read the on-screen note. ClickUp typically indicates how comments, attachments, and fields are handled during a merge. Click Browse Tasks to search for or navigate to the task you want to merge into. If you have a lot of items, use the search bar or filters to narrow things down by assignee, status, or keywords. In this example, navigate into the relevant project or list, let's say Project 2, so you're looking at the exact set of tasks where your destination lives.